So that truck down there is like causing so much exhaust in everyone's way. Something's wrong with that truck. Okay, I gotta close the window. My cough is coming in.